All right, so to begin the data prep process, what we're going to do is start a new project. So I'm going to go to my File tab and select New. And from my list, I'm going to pick US Survey Foot. And I'm going to click OK. Again, I'm using this US Survey Foot, which is a stock template that ships with Trimble Business Center. And it basically doesn't have any layers already predefined, except a couple. And it's very basic. The reason we're doing this is, again, like I mentioned earlier, I want to show you how to build your template as we go. So again, there's going to be some steps in this process that are going to be additional steps, but once you get a template set up and you understand the tools and the process and the workflow, then you'll start with that template that you define, and some of these processes and steps will be eliminated as you get into using the product Business Center and doing data prep. So again, that's kind of where we're going to get started. And the next thing we'll do is import in a couple CAD files and start the workflow.